Okay, I think it's about time for a final test. So let's give this a boot up. Turn on both screens. Hit the power button. There he is on the left. It's warming up. Okay, that just took a while for no reason. Well, I guess it had some updates in queue, so this was not a valid boot test, but let's suffice it to say it'll probably take about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes maybe, which is more than sufficient for a machine of this age and for what it needs to do. So, I'm going to get a few things set up, a couple other cables to plug in and stuff to get ready and things like that, and we'll give this visualization a test and see if it works. Okay, first thing I had to set up was the screensaver, the slideshow. So we will hit preview. It says reading pictures. This is the newer one that I had to get because the other one didn't work well with Windows 7. Starting the slideshow, and there he goes. Is it a little jerky? Yes. Is there anything I can do about that? No. It just is. So that's what it'll have to be. I don't really have a choice in the matter. We'll let one more go. And there you go. For what it's worth. The other one didn't really seem to want to work. This one also allegedly can display more than one picture at a time. You can have it do, let's do 3 pictures per monitor. I've never tried this before. Okay, that's what it does. Big deal. And I guess it only shows the first file name at the top. So anyway, I'll fix that later. I don't care. Of course, you know, the YouTube police and copyright crap and all that. So here's some YouTube audio library stuff. Topher Moore and Alex Elena Sunflower. It works. So I'll give it that. Let's try the visualization. It should be all set. I don't know how well it's going to work in full screen. So far good here. Oh, damn right he did. Let's change that up a little bit. That works. Okay, I'm going to give you this song and one more, and we'll just let those play through, and that's going to really complete it. I do know, before anybody wants to point out, that the little water speakers I did a review video on a long time ago, one of them is knackered, which is why I bought another set. And the light organ, that square thing behind it, probably isn't going to want to work. But let me get everything set up and get the other song queued, and I'll just leave you with those 2 songs. Headphone users, beware. there's of course some minor things that still need to be done. I need to go ahead and mount that hard drive properly in the system, because if you remember, I just threw it in there. So I have some nice green brackets right there that I'll mount up and slide it in. But anyways, it looks like there's some more updates that need to go in, and it's going to take care of that and do its thing, and magically the slideshow is going to start. Just like that. I still have it set to the 3 pictures, so I need to change that and set the update settings and all that kind of good stuff. But that's it. Now we have 2 working machines down here, and they're working fine. I have a lot more old Dell computers to go ahead and fix up and try to make to work. Try to put Windows 7 on. Won't be in this location, of course. It'll be over on the other side on top of the freezer there. But we'll get her done. And I have some other systems as well that I have no idea what's even in them. There's this one here. That's an old power spec that has some blown caps on it. I don't even know if it works, so that'll be one that we'll do. Of course, there's no power supply in it because I stole it for the other machine. So when I get a power supply, we'll do that. But anyway, there's a lot more to come in the fixing up old computers, because they are never obsolete. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.